How to install TEMU app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on Play Store app. Now here, so click on this search icon. Now here, so click on this search keyboard. So search TEMU app. So you will see TEMU app is here. So if you want to install TEMU app, so click on install. So after click on install, you will see few seconds later you will see TEMU app is installed. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone, and TEMU app is here. So that's how you can install TEMU app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.